Hey, Aaron with Quality Service Today, plumbing out of Mebane, North Carolina. So maybe your toilet handle's sticking, it's really hard to push down, or toilet's kicking on and running and it's a Mansfield style toilet. I'm going to go over how to fix that. Ultimately, one of the best things to do is you can rebuild the whole tank. You can watch the video I have on a major rebuild, but I'm going to show you how to change this flapper seal. So your toilet probably looks like this. You got the big thick metal or big thick plastic handle. It pulls up on that drum cylinder there. We're going to shut our water off. Show you how to do that. We shut the water off on the angle stop down here. We're going to pull this hose out of the top. Sometimes it can be a little tricky. We're going to unscrew this. Chlorine on city water really gets these, so we're going to pull this drum out just like that. You got to clean this surface off, the bottom of this right here. Make sure you scrub that with a rag, and then your seal is on a lip down here. I think it's kind of hard to see. I'm going to pull this out and show you what happens. That thing ends up cupped down and it causes a suction. See, that thing's wore out. That's what the new one looks like. Let's set this camera down. So you get the new one set in there. Make sure you pry it up and down. Make sure it's sitting in that groove real good. You're going to take your drum, put your handle back through it. And push it down. Screw this piece back on. Put your tube back in. And turn your water back on. You want to make sure you dye test it when you get done. Give it a good 15 minutes, good 3 flushes. Make sure it's all working right. That's how you replace a Mansfield flapper. Also, you can change this out to the standard 2-inch regular flapper, put a regular handle in here, and it makes these toilets work quite a bit better.